What's up guys, welcome back to another dig or die video. Today we're cutting out a sand filter. I graded this pond in the last video and now we're cutting out and hauling away all this dirt. The filter is 84 by 84, 84 feet long, 84 feet wide, and 3.5 feet deep. So it's about 70 truckloads of dirt we had to get rid of. And yeah, pretty much just cutting out this hole and loading it out, and we will install the filter in the next video. Thanks guys, I hope y'all enjoy. Alrighty guys, so got the first truck backing down here now. We're gonna see how this works. Should turn around pretty quick, honestly. The most aggravating part is right here. We have the wall and the outfall box, drainage box, so can't really pile much dirt up right here for me to load. So you know, maybe I'll only be able to load 4 loads or so before having to push up more, which Clayton's here and we got the loader, so it's not the worst thing in the world, but you know, it's nice just to be able to sit on a pile and load off of it. Makes it easier, but that's okay. So we're gonna do this. I probably won't film just a whole lot today. It'll honestly probably all be a time lapse, just because it's the same thing over and over. So yeah, if you don't see much, it's just because we're just chilling, kind of just loading stuff. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I've done a terrible job of filming us cutting out this sand filter. I got the first half of it filmed, and then I think I left my camera at home a few days, and we were loading out trucks, so it's just a lot going on. And so like I say, I got the first half and maybe one day of loading out dirt. I don't remember, but we've got this thing graded now, and to finish out this video I will set up a time lapse of the sod guys. They're supposed to be here today. I'll set you guys up on the wall somewhere or on the dam somewhere, and you can see they're gonna sod everything everything except the filter and our way in and out. So yeah, I'm sorry guys to let you down on the cutting out, but like I say, it's a whole 3.5 foot deep, so you know, it's not like we did anything that crazy. We got the loader down in there, and he pushed to me while I was sitting over there with the hoe loading out. So like I say, in between trucks and everything else, I didn't have enough, or I just didn't take the time. I had enough time, but I just didn't take the time to set you guys up and all this stuff. So sue me if you would like. I don't know what you would like to do, but next video we will be putting the filter in. You may have seen us installing the fabric and the filter today, but yeah, next video we'll be putting the filter in, finishing this job out, and getting out of here.